Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'm creating a mirrored headboard. And these are some of the materials that I'll be using today. A lot of these materials came from a company that I will not be mentioning today due to their cancellation on DEI, but I had already started the project last week. First, starting off with covering the perimeter with masking tape. I'm doing this because I will be spray painting each mirror gold. I believe some of the mirrors come gold already, but they didn't have that option on Instacart when I ordered. But I'm gonna speed this part up because I know you all didn't come to watch me put masking tape on the mirror. And this is how the mirrors look when I finished all 12. Next, I took this can of metallic gold spray paint and I'm going to spray all of the frames. And this is how they looked when they were finished. Next, I'll be adding a coat of Mod Podge to my mirror. And let me be honest, I added way too much Mod Podge on this thing on mirror. So I'm over here trying to swoop it around and lather it up real thick. But in my mind, I am losing it. But after I got the Mod Podge on there, I took this glitter and I am going to cover the entire mirror with it. And glitter is so messy. The only reason why I'm not using a box is because I'm trying to be all cutesy for y'all. But if you're doing this at home, please use a box. I am still picking up glitter. And as you can see, I learned my lesson with the Mod Podge. It's a lot less thicker than it was on the other one. So after I finished this mirror, I did it 10 more times and this is how they all came out. Next, I will be removing the masking tape from each of them. By the way, update, it is currently raining in Los Angeles. We were all praying for rain and God answered our prayers. So hopefully this will do it. Hopefully this wraps up this chaotic season for us. And this is how the mirrors looked when I was finished. Next, I'll be taking this gold trim and adding it to my mirrors. I'm using this to not only make the mirrors pop more, but to cover up the jagged edges. I pre-cut every piece and I am removing the film before attaching. After all of the panels were finished, I did add a screw to each of them at the top, and I also added double-sided tape to the back as well. Next, I am going to attach them to the wall, and I figured that this wall would be perfect. It has this square shape at the top, and I like it because I can add the other panels underneath, and it will give it a 3D effect. Next, I'll be taking the rest of my panels and attaching them to the wall using the screws and a double-sided tape. And I am starting in the center because I want to make sure that each side is even. The last thing I did was took these curtains that I had, these silver curtains, and I hung them up on each side. And this is how the headboard looked when it was finished. It looks so pretty at night. This is one of my favorite headboards. It is so simple yet so pretty. Please let me know in the comments if you think it looks prettier at night or if it looks prettier during the day. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, glitter babes.